Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my 2001 Integra J-swapped. We kind of got to do some maintenance stuff on it, so we're going to try spark plugs first and see if that helps with how it runs. So it seems like just an Allen to pull the coil packs off. I kind of have my kid doing it right now because he wanted to. And then the 5/8 spark plug ratchet or socket.
Allen said it's a 6.
And the Allen is a 6 mil. If you need to know. So that's what we're doing. So I was just kind of making this video to make videos. So this is my car, one of my projects, I guess you'd say. And I got it. It didn't have nothing but front brakes. So I put a 99 SI distribution on it to run no ABS on it, so I don't have ABS no more. And I put a aftermarket fuel pressure regulator just to kind of diagnose stuff that we've been going over since I got it. It didn't run when I bought it, and a whole bunch of wiring problems, so I had to make almost everything that runs on the wiring all redone to make it all work right. So now we're just kind of going from here. He's pulling out the coils. Kind of just figured I'd say what was going on with this, because hopefully we can start doing more stuff to it. But oh yeah, the tranny had no reverse when I got it. I had to fix that already. So there's a whole bunch of stuff I should have probably done.
Aren't you still?
But I didn't have a channel at that point. So no, I'm kind of just trying to catch you guys up on this project. So if any of you guys are into these or interested, there should be some more content or videos out for this. Not sure yet when, but
hopefully in the near future.
So if you guys have stuff you recommend or ideas or anything, if you guys have done this before, or if you guys haven't and kind of want to say stuff that you think may help, it all helps at the end of the day figuring out stuff. So
oh yeah, your hood scoop that you gotta kind of do soon.
yeah, but I bought it missing stuff that I thought was going to be there, so I've already had to do quite a bit of stuff since I got it. So now we're just trying to kind of figure out more of the stuff that I haven't had time to make it to. So I guess you're gonna see what the first spark plug looks like once it comes out. I bought spark plugs to do a tune-up already once. It was just kind of shitty, and it looks like, yeah, I don't know, what brand are those?
Boss.
It's like a Bosch or whatever, but I've never ran them in my Hondas ever, so I don't know. It was the only thing they had at the parts store, so I had to actually order spark plugs to get the ones I wanted. So this is what I went with from what I looked up. Like I said, I don't know everything about these, but
Camera wiggling too.
so that's the spark plug. Everything I looked up, kind of, this is what they were saying for the J series, I guess. So it looks like it's, yeah.
What's it doing right now with those spark plugs?
it's like misfiring bad, so we'll see what happens.
Hascourt motor modes. And
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's
never
all
realized
stuff
that.
that came with the car. So
Well, I never realized
I was trying to figure out what all needs to be done. So yeah, had to do all the brakes, change all that stuff, and
Been there.
all the window harnesses had to be kind of taken apart and checked and changed. All the dash had no heater, had nothing. I mean, I guess if you were making this car, you could just say it was a race car, so I guess. But where I live, I definitely want some heat when I do drive my cars, so that's kind of where it is on that. I changed all the interior from the brown to the black because I'm just not a big brown person for the interior. And yes, the car is dirty. I haven't got to drive it, so just been kind of sitting out here in the weather, but it's in a tent thingy.
Keeps it dry.
But here's kind of what I did to make the fuel pressure regulator work by just cutting out the actual stock fuel pressure regulator. I just bought an AN crush fitting adapter to the line, and I just cut it like, I don't know, I looked it up and I saw people doing LS's like this, so that's just what I went with. And then I think I did the same thing on the return and the feed because all that stuff was cut when I got it. So damn, how bad is it? Bad? Yeah, these are like maybe a few hours, maybe 5 hours, right? Yeah, so I don't know.
Very much.
I don't know.
It's crazy.
But, and yeah, I did get an ECU for it, but I don't know if it was these spark plugs were just bad, so maybe that's why I didn't want to run the ECU right or something. But I'm just trying to basically diagnose it, so kind of is what it is. And oh yeah, and it does have a J front on it, but when I bought it, it only has, from what I bought it, the hood. The other J front like was missing the headlights, missing the fenders were really weak, so that's kind of where that went. I'm just guess I was just explaining what my project is that we're gonna be what my kid is basically doing spark plugs for me on today. So
but this is one of the project cars that are gonna be on the channel.
Guess we're gonna finish this and then I guess we'll start it up and see how it sounds. So guess
check back in later.
We'll be back after they're in, and
Okay,
we'll see how it starts up and sounds.
Go. We're back here. We're gonna try to start it. So
there we go. Oh, maybe not.
Down to 2 bars.
Damn it.
Oh, up to 3 bars.
Okay, hold on, guys. We're gonna get some more stuff. There we go. That didn't work. Is that off?
No, the charger's blinking. Now it's off.
Turn it back on.
Back on with 3 bars.
Of course, the tag wants to weird out. There we go.
Yeah.
Alright guys, well, it's running again. I guess that's about it for the video. Have a good night.